Hi, I'm Natasha Denona and this is my new Sunrise palette. Inspired by the vibrant hues of the morning sunrise, this palette is the ultimate extended shade collection of the cult favorite Sunset palette. The Sunrise palette features 15 brand new shades, including my iconic formulas packed with the highest quality ingredients to create buttery soft shades that blend seamlessly to achieve vibrant, ultra-pigmented, long-lasting looks. Iconic duochromes, velvety mattes, and sparkling metallic textures will elevate your senses and empower you to create your very own radiant works of art. Watch me to find out how I created this beautiful, modern, dramatic eye makeup look. I'm starting with Dayspring and will press this onto the lid. And I'm making sure to leave a little gap between the lashes because this I will fill in with the darker shade later on. Dayspring is a super foiled metallic eyeshadow with a cool golden bronze shade. I'm pressing it onto the lid with a dense brush for intense payoff. This is super packed with pigments and pearls, so you really make sure to press it onto the lid and don't try to blend it out if you want to have this kind of coverage. Now with Carnelian, I'm going into the crease. Carnelian is such a gorgeous, vibrant, yellowish orange that is so beautiful, also on light skin like Martina's. But I love these shades also on tan skin and dark skin tones. It helps to create the most beautiful and wearable yellow color story that suits for every skin tone. With Morning, I'm going to blend Carnelian out, and I'm working really above the upper border, so it will give a soft finish. With Carnelian, I'm also smoking the lower lash line. And now with Agate, I'm going to pop the inner corner with highlights. Now with Jasper, I'm going to emphasize the upper and lower lash line. And now with the tapered brush, I will blend Jasper into the crease, but only at the outer corner. Now I'm filling in the inner rim with a brown eyeliner pencil, just to define the eye and to make it slightly more dramatic.